the hook. Forget everything you thought you knew about luxury travel trailers, because the industry just got a massive wake-up call at the 2026 Tampa RV Super Show. For decades, Airstream has been the undisputed king of the road, but a new challenger named the Awaken RV Morningstar is threatening to take the crown. Imagine a world where you never have to climb onto your roof with a tube of sealant again or worry about a hidden leak destroying your investment from the inside out. This isn't just another fiberglass camper. It is a revolutionary 100% seamless masterpiece designed to last forever. The critical weakness of traditional RVs. The biggest nightmare for any RV owner in the USA is the dreaded L word, leaks. Traditional travel trailers are built with multiple panels, seams, and joints that eventually fail due to road vibration and weather exposure. Once water finds its way into those gaps, it leads to rotting wood, mold, and delamination, which can cost thousands of dollars to repair. For too long, we have accepted this as a part of the lifestyle. But the Morningstar is here to prove that camping doesn't have to involve constant maintenance or fear of rain. Revolutionary, seamless engineering. What makes the Awaken RV Morningstar so special is its innovative construction method that uses a 100% all fiberglass body. Unlike traditional builds, this unit features a seamless shell that eliminates the primary entry points for water. By utilizing high-grade fiberglass, the manufacturers have created a structure that is not only incredibly durable but also lightweight and aerodynamic. This engineering feat ensures that the body remains rigid and leak-proof for decades, making it one of the most sustainable and long-lasting options available for full-time travelers and weekend warriors alike across the country. Dimensions and exterior presence. Measuring 23 feet and 11 inches, the Morningstar hits the sweet spot for maneuverability and living space. Its exterior design is a breathtaking blend of rugged off-grid capability and European elegance, featuring smooth lines that reduce wind drag during highway travel. This specific length allows you to access almost any national park or tight campsite across the United States without sacrificing the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. From the heavy-duty chassis to the sleek fiberglass finish, every inch of this trailer screams quality and high-end. American craftsmanship for your next adventure. Stepping inside, a masterpiece of design. As you step through the door, you are immediately greeted by an interior that feels more like a high-end luxury apartment than a traditional travel trailer. The design philosophy leans heavily into European aesthetics, utilizing clean lines, light colors, and premium materials to create an open, airy atmosphere. Large windows are strategically placed to flood the living area with natural light, providing panoramic views of your surroundings. Whether you are parked in the mountains or by the beach, the Morningstar's interior ensures that you are always traveling in absolute style and total comfort. The high-end kitchen and dining hub. The heart of the Morningstar is its modern galley kitchen, which is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and clever storage solutions. You will find high-quality countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, and a high-efficiency refrigerator that makes meal prep a breeze even when you are miles away from civilization. The dining area is ergonomically designed to be both a comfortable workspace for digital nomads and a cozy spot for a romantic dinner. Every cabinet and drawer is built to withstand the rigors of the road while maintaining a sophisticated look and feel throughout. Premium sleeping and comfort zone rest is essential when you are living the RV life, and Awaken RV has spared no expense in ensuring a good night's sleep. The primary sleeping area features a high-quality mattress and premium upholstery that rivals what you would find in a luxury hotel. Smart storage lockers are integrated around the bed, allowing you to keep your belongings organized without cluttering the living space. The climate control system is whisper quiet, ensuring that whether it is a hot Florida afternoon or a chilly mountain night, you will remain perfectly comfortable inside your fiberglass sanctuary. Ultimate off-grid capability for those who want to escape the crowded campgrounds and find peace in the wilderness. The Morningstar is fully equipped for off-grid adventures. It features a robust solar power system, large freshwater tanks, and high capacity batteries that allow you to stay out longer without needing a hookup. The rugged tires and specialized suspension system mean you can confidently take this trailer down gravel, roads, and unpaved paths to find. Those hidden gems across the USA. It is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to achieve true freedom on the open road today, long-term investment, and resale value. When you purchase an RV, you aren't just buying a vehicle. You are making a long-term investment in your lifestyle. Because the Morningstar is built to stop rotting and delamination, its resale value is expected to remain significantly higher than traditional wood-frame trailers. The durability of the all-fiberglass shell means that 10 or 20 years from now, this trailer will still be as structurally sound as the day it left the factory. It is a buy it once, keep it forever kind of product that offers incredible peace of mind for every owner. Conclusion and call to action. The Awaken RV Morningstar is truly a game changer that sets a new standard for the industry. If you are tired of the maintenance issues that plague standard trailers and want something that combines beauty with indestructible engineering, this is the RV for you. Make sure to head over to their website to see the full specs and floor plans. If you enjoyed this exclusive look from the 2026 Tampa RV Show, hit that like button and subscribe to RV Life USA for more tours of the best motorhomes on the market.